Hello, it's me, Simmons.
Huh? Who are you?
I'm an officer. My name's Simmons.
You're Simmons?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Hello.
You're not shaking my hand.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm an officer. I'm from SML.
You found us some
I
out?
don't know where Brooklyn guy is, so I'm just gonna find. I have.
Gonna what?
Wait, I have. Wait. I don't have any backup, right? I'm just gonna.
Woke up?
I'm gonna go find the chief, cause he needs me like only like 5 minutes.
No idea.
Huh? The blood?
Hello.
Why did you sound like that?
No idea.
I just have a bad cough.
A bad cough?
I have a new mouth.
Okay.
Did you know I have a new mouth?
Oh, your mouth is like the same size as me.
Yeah, more better.
But yeah.
Whoa. Oh.